Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable in-game FPS counter in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings in the main menu of the game by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to interface settings, make sure that you have global tab selected at the top of the screen. Then find telemetry and click show more under this option, and the first option you will see right here is the FPS counter. So to enable it, just switch this toggle to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.